today we're going to make a sandwich. I'm sorry, skip the part. Oh, okay, wait. Okay, it's time. This is cheese. I put the cheese. Okay, we skip the I don't like this. So I'll just put one free wheel. Okay, my sandwich is ready. Wait.
Natutulog lang naman ako eh. Masama nakikita kanila.
Sandwich. Yummy. It's yum. I made sandwich. But they like taste.
Dapat yung pinakita yun.
No, I'm gonna send it private.
Okay naman yan. Ano ba yung kinain mo last time? Ano ba yung kinakain mo last time?
Ham and egg.
No, last time yung naka-video ka. Tumingin ka dun.
Donut.
Donut ba yun? Hindi ako makain ng donut ah.
Ah, pizza!
Oo. Easily pwede mo na i-public ulit.
Bakit?
Oo, kasi food naman yun.
Inasaw yung face.
Sino face? Ikaw lang naman, okay lang naman.
Eh, ikaw, win.
Saglit lang naman ako, hindi naman ako matagal na. Tapos na yan.
Malapit na. I'll keep it me healthy. Bye-bye.